name is Jaime Turan. I'm a senior mortgage advisor with Alpine Mortgage Planning. I'm here at the 3-day money-making summit with Remax Titanium and Rudy Kusuma. Really excited to work with all the agents here. Really excited for what's ahead for this office, and I think this is definitely one of the best teams that we have that we get the privilege of working with. So yeah, really excited, and it's going to be a good 3 days. Really looking forward to learning a lot of ways that we could improve, work with our clients. It's going to be good. All right.
Oh, we're here with Rudy's group to learn more about his selling system, so my company can help everyone grow in 2018.
Hi, I'm Unita Wu. I'm with Home Warranty for America. We're the 13 months home warranty. I'm here today at Remax Titanium 3 days conference. We're at the Courtyard Marriott, and I'm here to help the team to be able to understand what is home warranty is about, and we're 13 months home warranty. So basically with the home warranty, we cover normal wear and tear for your appliances, for example, your water heater, your heating system, your appliances. Maybe sometimes when the client move in, maybe like a month or 2 months later, things breaks down due to normal wear and tear. That's why the home warranty here for you to be able to cover those appliances for a peace of mind. Just having like a warranty, so then the sellers pay for it. When the buyers move in, they feel like they're more at ease because if something breaks down, then the home warranty company will take care for them.